Let's know the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 unicorn. 2, 1, 2, 2 butterflies. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 alligators. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for bees. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tigers. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 flamingos. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 dolphins. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 frogs. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 suns. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 octopuses. Let's sing again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Farm animals. Hi everyone, I'm Ada.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome to our farm.
Today, we're going to introduce you to some of our amazing farm animals and explain why they're so beneficial.
Let's start with our cows.
Cows are incredible. They provide us with milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. Next up, we have our chickens.
Chickens are so useful. They give us fresh eggs every day, which are not only delicious but also packed with protein. Chickens also help keep our farm clean by eating insects and pests. Now let's meet our sheep.
Sheep are wonderful animals. We shear their wool to make warm clothing and blankets. Sheep milk is also quite nutritious and can be used to make cheese and yogurt, similar to cow's milk. Over here, we have our pigs.
Pigs are very intelligent and social animals. Pigs also help us recycle food waste. They eat leftover scraps from our kitchen, reducing waste and keeping the farm eco-friendly. And let's not forget our goats.
Goats are incredibly versatile. They give us milk, which can be turned into delicious cheese and soap. Goat milk is also easier to digest for some people compared to cow's milk. Goats are also great at clearing weeds and brush, helping us maintain our farm naturally. Next, we have our ducks.
Ducks are fantastic for pest control. They love to eat slugs, snails, and other pests that can harm our crops. Duck eggs are also a treat. They're larger than chicken eggs and have a rich, creamy texture. And now meet our dog Max.
Max is our loyal farm helper. He helps herd the sheep. Max is also a wonderful companion. He's always there to lift our spirits and keep us company during our farm chores.
Farming is a lot of work, but these animals make it all worthwhile. We hope you enjoyed meeting our farm animals and learning about their benefits. See you next time.
B. Hello friends, I am A. Can you say A? A. Here are some examples of words that start with A. Apple, ant, airplane. Hello friends, I am B. Can you say B? B. Here are some examples of words that start with B. Ball, banana, bear. Hello friends, I am C. Can you say C? C. Here are some examples of words that start with C. Cat, car, cake. Hello friends, I am D. Can you say D? D. Here are some examples of words that start with D. Dog, duck, doll. Hello friends, I am E. Can you say E? E. Here are some examples of words that start with E. Egg, elephant, eyes. Hello friends, I am F. Can you say F? F. Here are some examples of words that start with F. Fish, frog, flower. Hello friends, I am G. Can you say G? G. Here are some examples of words that start with G. Goat, grape, guitar. Hello friends, I am H. Can you say H? H. Here are some examples of words that start with H. Hat, home, horse. Hello friends, I am I. Can you say I? I. Here are some examples of words that start with I. Ice cream, inchworm, igloo. Hello friends, I am J. Can you say J? J. Here are some examples of words that start with J. Jam, jacket, juice. Hello friends, I am K. Can you say K? K. Here are some examples of words that start with K. Key, kite, king. Hello friends, I am L. Can you say L? L. Here are some examples of words that start with L. Lion, lemon, leaf. Hello friends, I am M. Can you say M? M. Here are some examples of words that start with M. Monkey, moon, mouse. Hello friends, I, N. Can you say N? N. Here are some examples of words that start with N. Nose, net, nut. Hello friends, I am O. Can you say O? O. Here are some examples of words that start with O. Orange, owl, octopus. Hello friends, I am P. Can you say P? P. Here are some examples of words that start with P. Panda, pumpkin, pizza. Hello friends, I am Q. Can you say Q? Q. Here are some examples of words that start with Q. Queen, quilt. Question. Hello friends, I am R. Can you say R? R. Here are some examples of words that start with R. Rainbow, rabbit, robot. Hello friends, I am S. Can you say S? S. Here are some examples of words that start with S. Sun, snake, star. Hello friends, I am T. Can you say T? T. Here are some examples of words that start with T. Turtle, tree, train. Hello friends, I am U. Can you say U? U. Here are some examples of words that start with U. Umbrella, unicorn, under. Hello friends, I am V. Can you say V? V. Here are some examples of words that start with V. Band, violin, vase. Hello friends, I am W. Can you say W? W. Here are some examples of words that start with W. Whale, worm, water. Hello friends, I am X. Can you say X? X. Here are some examples of words that start with X. Xylophone, X-ray, Xerox. Hello friends, I am Y. Can you say Y? Y. Here are some examples of words that start with Y. Yo-yo, yak, yatch. Hello friends, I am Z. Can you say Z? Z. Here are some examples of words that start with Z. Zebra, zoo, zipper. Well done, alphabet friends! We've named some letters and explored words that start with them. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. Until next time.
Friends, welcome to Let's Know the Colors. Today, we're going to learn all about colors. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello. Red car, red car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Blue car, blue car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Yellow car, yellow car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Green car, green car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Purple car, purple car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Pink car, pink car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Orange car, orange car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? White car, white car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Black car, black car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Gray car, gray car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Brown car, brown car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Red car, red car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Blue car, blue car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Yellow car, yellow car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Green car, green car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Purple car, purple car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Pink car, pink car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Orange car, orange car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? White car, white car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Black car, black car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Gray car, gray car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Brown car, brown car. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Wow, look at all these cars. Can you name all the colors with me? We have red, blue, yellow, green, purple, pink, orange, white, black, gray, and brown cars. You did a fantastic job learning colors today. Now, when you see these colors, you can name them all. Remember, colors are everywhere. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye for now, friends.